Hi students, today we can start our subject with the topic water microbiology and freshwater populations. Water microbiology. Water microbiology is the study of all biological aspects of microorganism present in the water. There are 6 kinds of organisms present in the water, that are bacteria, archaea, viruses, fungi, parasites, and protozoa. Natural waters can be grouped into 4 types. First one, atmospheric water. Second one, surface water. Third one, groundwater. Fourth one, stored water. First one, atmospheric water. Rain, snow water are included under the atmospheric water. Atmospheric water contain considerable number of microorganisms which is contributed by air. Second type of the water is stored water. This include water which can be stored in man-made tank or in natural ditches. Example, lake water, pond water. Third one, groundwater. Groundwaters are considered to be free from bacteria. It is because of the filtering action of the earth. Microorganisms and also suspended organic material in the water get removed by the filtering action. Example for the groundwater is well water. Then the last type of the water, that is surface water. Water from the lakes, streams, rivers and oceans constitute the surface water. Majority of the microorganisms found in the water come from nearby landscapes. Rainwater plays an important role in bringing out changes in the microflora of surface water. During the first rain, most of the soil organisms are brought into the surface water. But in the second and subsequent rainfalls, there will not be much addition of microorganisms to the surface water. So these are the kinds of water. Next, we can move to the freshwater environment or the freshwater microbiology. Microlimnology is the study of microorganisms present in the freshwater. The study of all aspects of freshwater habitat is called limnology. That is, the study of physical, chemical, biological and geological aspects of freshwater is known as limnology. Microlimnology means the study of microorganism present in the water. So that is the difference between microlimnology and limnology. There are two general types of environment. Okay, first one running water, second one standing water. River and streams are coming under running water and lakes and ponds are standing water. Based on the depth and penetration of light through the water taken, it can be classified into different zones or subdivision, that are littoral zone, limnatic zone, profundal zone, and benthic zone. Okay. First zone, littoral zone. Littoral zone is the near shore area. That is the open area found on the edge of lake. Here, the sunlight can penetrate efficiently by photosynthetic activity present. It allows the aquatic plants to grow in this region. Second one, limnatic zone. It is the surface layer of open water and it is away from the littoral zone. Together, these two zones, that is limnatic zone and littoral zones, comprises the photic zone. Okay. In the limnatic zone, the light can penetrate rapidly and the photosynthetic activity is maximum. Profundal zone. This zone is located below the thermocline where the sunlight does not penetrate. Here the photosynthetic activity decreases and the light intensity is less than 1%. The size of the zone depends on the age and water clarity of the pond or lake. It has lower fish populations because of the lack of oxygen. Last one, benthic zone. It is the bottom region of the lake associated with the sediments. Both profundal zone and benthic zone have a heavy population of heterotrophic bacteria. Next, we can discuss the classification based on productivity and nutrient content. It is classified into two, oligotrophic lake and eutrophic lake. First one, oligotrophic lake. They are low nutrient content lake and the deposit is also low because of the limited nutrient content. Oligotrophic lakes are characterized by low primary productivity. Second type, eutrophic lake. It is characterized by high nutrient content. It contains high amount of bottom sediments and organic matter. They are characterized by high primary productivity. Habitats in an aquatic environment. First one, new stone. The microorganisms found at the air-water interface are called new stone. Second one, blue stone. The microorganisms occupying at the air-water interface in a marine environment is called blue stone. Third one, plankton. It refers to the free-floating microorganisms. And the planktons are classified into phytoplankton and zooplankton. This classification is based on constituent organism and their feeding habitat. Phytoplankton includes photosynthetic forms like algae. It usually occupies the top layer of water bodies. The light is available to carry out photosynthesis. Second one, zooplankton. It consists of protozoans which feed on phytoplankton and bacteria. Zooplanktons are motile with cilia or flagella and they show vertical migration. During the daytime, zooplankton escape from the light and sink to the bottom. During night, they come to the surface and feed on their prey. Okay, so it exhibits a diurnal migration. Epibiotic habitat. They are the attached microorganisms. Sometimes the attached bacteria are also called epibiotic bacteria. There are some related terms like epizoic, epiphyton, epilithon, epicylon, and episalmon. Epizoic means it is used to denote microorganism associated with the aquatic animals. Epiphyton denote microorganism associated with the aquatic plants. Then epilithon is another community which include attached microorganism of the rock and stones of the aquatic environment. Then epicylon. It is the microorganism found on the fallen woods in water bodies. Then episalmon is the microorganism associated with the sand. Okay. Microbial communities in the freshwater environment. Microorganisms in the water may occur at all depth that ranges from surface region to the bottom region. But the top layer of the bottom sediment contains high concentration of the microorganism. Okay. Some of the examples for the microorganism present in the water are Micrococcus, Alkaligens, Aeromonas, Escherichia coli, Leptospira, Flavobacterium, Pseudomonas, Proteus, Bacillus, Chromobacterium, Clostridium, Streptococcus, Klebsiella, Vibrio, Corynebacterium, Arthrobacter, etc. The unique bacteria found in the freshwater are prosthecate bacteria known as Anelomicrobium. It possesses long appendages and reproduces by budding. Oligotrophic lakes have planktons like Euglena and Chlamydomonas. Eutrophic lakes have planktons like Chlorella. Actinomycetes present in the water include Nocardia, Streptomyces, and Micromonospora. Okay. One of the example for the fungus present in the water is Fusarium. Microbial communities in the freshwater environment. Microorganisms in the water may occur at all depth, ranging from surface to the bottom. The top layer of the bottom sediment contain high concentration of the microorganism. Okay. Some of the examples for the microorganism present in the water are Klebsiella, Streptococcus, Clostridium, Vibrio, Corynebacterium, Arthrobacter, Alkaligens, Pseudomonas, Proteus, Aeromonas, Bacillus, Escherichia coli, Chromobacterium, Leptospira, Flavobacterium, Micrococcus, etc. The unique bacteria found in the freshwater environment are prosticate bacteria known as Anelomicrobium. It shows long appendages and reproduces by budding. Okay. Oligotrophic lakes have planktons like Euglena and Chlamydomonas. Eutrophic lakes include planktons like Chlorella and Saint Desmus. Some of the actinomycetes found in the water are Nocardia, Streptomyces, and Micromonospora. Fusarium is a fungus present in the water.